HTML5 document structure. An HTML document is a text file containing markup tags. The markup tags tell the web browser how to display the web page. A HTML file is saved with .htm or .html extension. Basic structure of HTML document is as follows. A HTML page is divided into two sections called head and body. Head contains the information which is not to be shown on the web page. Body contains the information which is to be shown on the web page. HTML provides various tags such as exclamation, doctype HTML, HTML, head, title, body, and many more. Let us discuss some tags in detail. The exclamation doctype HTML tag. The exclamation doctype HTML is not an element in HTML. It is a document type declaration that tells the browser about the version of HTML. It is not case sensitive, which means you can write it into uppercase or lowercase. The HTML tag. The HTML tag tells the web browser that the text contained between HTML and /HTML is a web page and can be viewed using a web browser. Every web page coding must starts with the HTML tag and ends with the /HTML/HTML tag. The head tag. The head tag defines header area of your web page. The information given in head tag tells the computer that this information is not to be shown on the web page. It is a container tag used in pair as head and /head. Every web page coding must have its header tag. The title tag. The title tag tells the web browser that text contained between title and /title is the text that does not form part of the web page. It will be shown on the title bar of your web browser. The use of title tag is not mandatory. If you do not want to give title to your web browser will show file name and its path as title of your web page. The body tag. The body tag tells the web browser that the text contained between body and /body tags is to be shown on the web page. It is a container tag.